In this video, I will be doing a Vanguard VOO ETF review and breaking it down in plain English so beginners can actually understand what this ETF is, how it works, why so many people invest in it, and whether it could make sense for your long-term investing goals. If you've ever heard people say things like, just buy the S&P 500 or invest in VOO and had no idea what they meant, this video is for you. Because once you understand this one ETF, you'll understand a huge part of how everyday people start investing for the future. So let's break it down. First, what is the Vanguard VOO ETF? VOO is an ETF created by Vanguard. ETF stands for Exchange Traded Fund. And the easiest way to think about an ETF is like a basket of investments. Instead of buying just one company stock, an ETF lets you buy a collection of many companies all at once. VOO specifically tracks the S&P 500. The S&P 500 is basically a list of around 500 of the biggest companies in the United States. We're talking about companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Google, Meta, and many others. So when you buy one share of VOO, you are instantly getting exposure to hundreds of major companies with one investment. That's one reason beginners like ETFs so much. It gives you diversification immediately, instead of trying to pick individual stocks one by one. Now let's talk about why people invest in VOO specifically. One reason is simplicity. A lot of investors do not want to spend hours researching stocks every week. They don't want the stress of trying to figure out which company might go up or down next month. VOO gives people a way to invest in the overall US stock market through large companies, instead of betting everything on one stock. Another reason is long-term performance. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged around 10% annual returns over very long periods, although returns vary year to year and nothing is guaranteed. Some years the market is up big, some years the market drops. But over long periods of time, the market has historically grown. And this is where long-term investing becomes important. Now, another thing beginners like about VOO is the cost. VOO has a very low expense ratio. An expense ratio is basically the small annual fee charged to manage the ETF. VOO's expense ratio is extremely low compared to many actively managed funds, which means more of your money stays invested. That may not sound exciting, but lower fees can make a huge difference over decades. Now let's quickly talk about the risks because no investment is perfect. VOO is still invested in the stock market. That means the value can go down. If the overall market drops, VOO will drop too. For example, during major market crashes or recessions, the S&P 500 can lose value temporarily. So VOO is usually considered more appropriate for long-term investing, rather than money you might need next month or next year. This is why people always say investing requires patience. Now let's talk about how people actually buy VOO. Most people buy it through a brokerage account like Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, or other investing platforms. You simply search the ticker symbol VOO, just like you would search a stock. Then you choose how much you want to invest. Some brokerages even allow fractional shares, meaning you can start investing with smaller amounts of money instead of needing enough for one full share. That's important because a lot of beginners think they need thousands of dollars to start investing. You really don't. Consistency matters more than starting with a huge amount. And honestly, that's probably one of the biggest lessons here. A lot of people delay investing because they think they need to become experts first. But for many beginners, understanding simple long-term index fund investing can already put them ahead of most people financially. Now, does that mean VOO is perfect for everyone? No. Some investors want international exposure. Some want dividend-focused investing. Some want more aggressive growth. Some want less stock market risk. But for beginners looking for a simple way to invest in large US companies over the long term, VOO is one of the most talked about ETFs for a reason. So hopefully this video helped make ETFs and the Vanguard VOO ETF easier to understand. If it did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Cents and Commas, and let me know in the comments what investing topic you want broken down next. And until next time, keep building your cents and your commas.